Today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is The Traffic Stop That Broke a 29-Year-Old.
Hands up. Hands up and get out of the car.
On July 9, 2025, an officer pulled over a vehicle for having an obstructed license plate.
Can I help you?
Can you roll your window down?
No, sir. Can I help you? What did you pull me over for?
I'll explain it to you. You're going to roll your window down.
No, you're going to answer my question first.
You're going to roll your window down or I'm going to open your door.
You are not going to do that.
I am.
No, sir.
Okay.
224, supervisor in route.
We got a no-nonsense
So I
cop.
can explain to you why I stopped you.
You're not going to force your way into my vehicle. You're not going to attack me.
Can you roll your window down so I can explain to you what happened?
My question, why did you
No, you're going to do what I tell you. That's not how this works.
Then I'm going to pull you into a parking lot.
No, you're not.
Gas station, and you can tell your
No,
supervisor.
you're not going to go anywhere. Stop. Vehicle's taking off racetrack.
Alright, all units, 33 traffic vehicle taking off from the racetrack. What are you charging?
Just resisting. She's trying to back into a parking spot. She took off from me, and now she's parked in a racetrack parking spot after I told her not to.
Alright, careful. Put the Terminator down behind the tire if you can.
I got her semi-blocked in. Get out.
She can't move without hitting my car.
No, she's on the cell phone. We have her blocked in. She's not getting out.
Step out of the car.
She's on 911.
Sheriff's office, step out of the car. Do it now.
Say where?
Get out of the car. Do it now.
Sheriff's office, get out of the car. Do it now.
Just get back behind the car. Sheriff's office, get out of the car. Do it now.
Get out of the car.
Dispatch has been updated.
Are you good on the channel?
No, just keep it. Get out.
47011 Wellham Lane. Was an open line. You could hear
Dispatch has been
people
updated.
yelling, stay outside.
Sir, can you go over there, please? Or do whatever you want. That works too.
Sheriff's office, get out of the vehicle. Do it now.
224 to 210. Terminator's placed. You just want me to wait for you?
Do you have positive ID on her? Is she the Oro?
I'm not in a good position to be able to check my computer right now.
Sheriff's office, get out of the car. Do it now.
I got you.
Sheriff's office, remove yourself from the vehicle. Do it now.
Man, she better act right before they blow her brains out. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy.
Sheriff's office.
Oh,
get
boy.
Out of the vehicle. Do it now.
He doing the one hand cock to the side. Oh, boy.
Hey, let's make this a little more tactical pleasant. Can we block off some of the entrance? Sheriff's office.
Yeah, my boy got the one hand cock to the side. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. He not playing.
Get out of the vehicle. Do it now. Hey, let's make this a little more tactical pleasant. Can we block off some of the entrances and things like that so we're not all just piled up?
Who's got shadow balls? Anybody?
Yep.
Bring them over here.
Yeah,
Are you still landline with her?
Boy, whoever on that phone, boy.
The other operator that she is refusing to get out of the vehicle. She doesn't know who to trust. There's a problem with LEO in the area before, and we can hear her telling you guys to shut up.
All right, tell her to look to her left. Tell her the supervisor's standing out there and move the call.
She on the phone with 911.
What?
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Get a little closer so she can't pull straight out.
Hey, somebody loop their vehicle around, please, on this side.
Right here. Go move the car on the other side. Here. Move the car to the other side.
Let her know we're going to break the window if she doesn't comply.
That is yours? Mm-hmm. Just make sure you have your gun out and you have shield up. Yeah.
What's the PC on that?
Her tag was just obstructed. Okay. I tried to get behind her, call it out. She popped the U-turn over there. Okay. Immediately, I wanted through a window. She cut the window like a half inch. Time's running out.
She is requesting that the supervisor needs to walk towards the vehicle and she'll drop the window down.
Roll your window down. Roll it down. All right, look. Just roll your window down. We'll talk, okay? Just at work. Just. I tell you what. Hey, hang on. Listen. Just listen to me. Listen to me. I'll tell you. I don't know. I wasn't here.
Okay. Okay. Hey, all right. Who's got the shatter balls?
We're gonna break the window.
Go ahead.
Here's the deal. Listen to me. Listen to me. If you don't want to talk, okay. Okay. Unfortunately, these are your options now. These are your options now, okay? These are your options. You're under arrest and you need to get out. It's either we're going to take you out of the car or you're going to step out on your own. Take your pick. Take your pick. You have 10 seconds to decide and I'm done. Take your pick. The clock's running out. What's it
Get her
gonna be?
together, Sarge. She ain't listening.
Get out.
She ain't acting right.
What's it gonna be? You want your window broke or are you gonna get out? Take your pick. Okay.
Get her together.
Go ahead.
We're moving in. We're gonna break your window. We're doing it.
This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
We're doing it.
Hands up!
Hands up! Hands up!
Hands up and get out of the car. Get out of the car!
Get out!
Take your seatbelt off and get out of the car! Take your seatbelt off and get out of the car!
I'm gonna get some cover.
Take your seatbelt off and get out of the car! Take your seatbelt off and get out of the car!
Push it. Push it.
Put it in park!
Yeah, I know.
Take the seatbelt off with your right hand. Take the seatbelt off with your right
I'm
hand.
gonna try to unlock it.
Put it in park with your right hand.
Boy, she better do it fast because they might have an accidental discharge or something.
You're good. You're good. You're good. Good. With your right hand, take your seatbelt off. Right hand. Okay.
Take off your seatbelt. Crawl over here. Do it now. Yes,
Come
crawl
over.
to us. Do it now.
Come over this way.
Relax.
There's broken glass everywhere.
Step out.
No, please. Okay, don't be rough with me. Please stop. I haven't done anything wrong. I haven't done anything wrong. I didn't even do anything to begin with.
Listen.
Listen to what? Aggression?
No, it wasn't at first.
Yes, it was. Yes, it was. Oh my God! Please stop. I didn't do anything.
Do you have anything on your person?
You're gonna
Do you have anything?
threaten me?
Hey,
Man, these lights
are
are killing my eyes. Like the
Okay, you have a female here
cop
that's gonna
lights.
search you. Do you have anything on your person that's gonna poke me, stick me? If you keep going away, I'm gonna charge you myself.
I'm not doing.
Keep going.
I can't tell which way. I can't see behind me. Please stop.
All right, this deputy here is gonna search you. She's gonna run you through some things. Let's go. I got it.
You're okay. Let her go. Let me go. Please. I'm not complying. I just. You're leaning back. Because I don't want to lose my balance. You're not.
Okay, you got two people. You're not losing your balance.
Oh, I'd like to carry my own weight.
You're gonna keep going over here.
Ow!
You're gonna keep walking this way.
All right, here's good.
Lean against forward. Give me a second.
yeah, she ain't controlling nothing. Get her together, man.
Stick, stab, or poke me.
No, I wouldn't.
Stop
anyway,
reaching
but
for
I'm just-
anything.
I'm
Stop
not
reaching for anything.
I'm just patting you, make sure there's nothing in my pocket.
Don't move.
This is ridiculous. I didn't turn you guys into anything. I asked what I was being pulled over for, and I wasn't answered.
Do you think we run these stops? I mean,
didn't run
honestly, do you
anything.
think you're in charge of these stops?
I feel like I should be in charge of my own personal safety. Yes.
Okay, and you were completely safe until
No, I wasn't.
you made it unsafe.
I didn't make anything unsafe by asking why I was being pulled over.
You don't run the stop, ma'am. I'm not gonna argue with
Lean
you.
forward. Spread your
When
feet.
you're given a lawful order by law enforcement, you comply.
Lean forward and spread your feet.
I am.
Spread your feet.
I can't lean if any more forward. I'm
Spread your feet.
Let me get to you. It's okay. She's good.
Please. I'm not. This is what I didn't want.
Lean forward.
I
Stop pushing back.
I'm not pushing back. I'm not pushing back.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any of my questions or make any statements. Do you understand? Yes or no, do you understand?
No, I don't understand why any of this is happening. Because
No,
I
do you
asked you a
understand-
direct question.
Oh boy, who could put up with her, man? She's a trip. She's a trip. In what universe would it be okay for you to be like, oh, well, I'm pulling in the parking lot after you're already stopped? If you did, now there's certain instances where, like, maybe on the highway or something like that, where depends on your state, you know what I'm saying? You gotta read rules and laws and all that. But if you're about to get pulled over and you feel it's in an unsafe area, you could go a little distance, a little bit, you know what I'm saying, and pull over in a safer area. But this, you were already stopped and you decided to put the key or hit the gas and go and drive away from the scene. You're cooked. Okay, you're cooked. You're cooked. And then you're gonna call 911 dispatch. You're out. 911 is looking at you right now. You know what I'm saying? It's like the cops are looking at you with guns drawn, and you, at that point, you playing Russian roulette, because yes, they're trained, but they're humans, and humans make mistakes, right? Humans are not perfect. So you see that they got their guns out drawn to you. There could be an accidental discharge or whatever the case may be, and you out of here. There could be a rookie that just, you know what I'm saying? He nervous, his first time in this, and he, you know, because of the position that you put them in, they got to be out with the guns drawn and all their weapons and stuff like that out to you. And you still playing games, not cooperating. And you playing with your life.
You didn't answer
Do you
me.
understand what I
You're
just read
supposed
to you?
to legally be able to answer me.
I do not have to tell you.
Why you pulled me
I
over?
do not have to tell you that. I do not have to tell you that.
There's one clip
So
in
would
there,
you,
and that's it. The
can
rest
I-
is just my hair.
If you didn't understand these, do you want me to read them again?
I wasn't listening to you.
Do you want me to read them again?
You want to know your rights. You just told me that, and he's trying to read them to
You
you.
want to read them? Do you want me to read them again?
By the person who violated my rights.
Do you want me to read them again? Yes or no?
I was trying to clear some things up out here. Yeah, do you mind?
Yes or no? Cool. Put her in the car.
Walk this way. Walk this way.
I'm not making any demands. Can you just
Nope, we're gonna walk this way.
listen? I've had some in-person people, and
So what you're
I
gonna do
just
is you're
wanna
gonna
let my mom
sit
know
butt first.
that she needs to go and take care of the
Sit
animals.
butt first. Watch your hands. Get your feet up. Good?
Just lost everything.
Damn, resisting without violence. All of that. I wish we could see how much time they got. I mean, it's not like she got any time anyway, but maybe I should say how much in fines she had to pay, because that's all she would get with this anyways. But yeah, man, like I said, not cooperating and stuff like that with the guns drawn out like that, you playing with your life. It is not worth it. It is not worth it. Anyways, I think the officers did pretty good. You know, I honestly, you know, they did all right. Like, they could have done better as far as like that one officer was saying, like, let's block off, you know, some stuff. Let's get this organized, yada, yada, yada. But they worked as a team, and for that, you know, whatever. That's what it's about. It's about communication and stuff like that. So 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.